Hello. Things. This is a video I'm making for one of my clients. His name is Sam Pardon. A few days ago, I set up a multi-site for him, multi-site with 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 the WooCommerce store. And currently, I'm going to do some uh, add. I'm going to add a new domain under the system and set up the same as the previous one. Okay, so this is the main domain of the site, and this is a subdomain he needs to live another site. So I'm going to, this is the panel of Sam's hosting. So I am going to log in to his WHM. uh, he has a dedicated WHM for all of these sites. I'm going to list account. I'm going to do this quickly, because this is a video and you can pause it and see whatever I'm doing, or you can repeatedly see it. Okay. So this is the brand store. This is the main domain. Okay. Now I'm going to click the C panel. I am heading inside the C panel. C panel. This is the C panel right now. I am going to the application and I'm going to log in into the main website. Okay. I cannot see here in the installer tool. I'm going to WordPress management. If I can see the multi-site. To work on the multi-site, I will need the super admin access. Okay, not just the regular admin access. So I think yes, you can see this is already tagged as multi-site. So this is the correct site, and there is no other site here. So we can see that this is the correct site. I'm clicking login. Uh, okay. This is asking to reset my pass. Okay. So I am resetting one pass. This one. I am copying the password so that Sam can have his password back later on. Now I am save change. Mm, this should work. Okay, I think this is work. I am clicking the login now. Uh, it's loading. Well, we were supposed to do a video call in Google Meet last Friday. Our schedule was not matching for some reason, because our time zones are not similar. But this is why I have gave him a suggestion that I will create a video for him so that he can use it uh, regularly. Now I can see that this is already trying to get network update. We are not going to do the network update right now, but we will do it later on. As I can see at the top left, I can see my sites, and I can see all the sites and network admin. That means I am a super admin now, and I am logged in as a super admin at the moment. Now I'm going to go to the network admin dashboard. Okay, I'm clicking the network admin dashboard. So this is the network admin dashboard. Clicking the sites, I can see there are already three sites: one main site, two are the subdomain site. Okay. Let me see the main site. This is the main site. Okay. Mm, just a regular basic site. Nothing much. The subsite are also same. As you can see, this is the Belfort Beauty, Belfort Beauty. They're also same. Maybe uh, even the products are same, but they have the option to change the product. Now we're going to create a new subsite. Okay, in the subdomain, I'm going to click add site. I need to have the site URL. This is set up configured as a subdomain. So subdomain it is. I am going to put this subdomain name by client sent. I'm going to use the site name something first food. I'm just you can put anything you want, but I am going to use this domain, this email because this is the main user. It will create each of the subsite will create a new user each time you created it. But I am going to access this with this user, this Sampardum user. That is why I am putting this email. But this will also be the admin mail for each of the site. Okay, I am adding the site. At the moment, I did have added the site, but it will not live. You can see this site cannot be reached. Site cannot be reached because this is not properly done yet. If I create a incognito mode and then check this domain, it's still not working. This is not gonna work. Okay. So what I need to do is go to the cPanel, and first I need to create a new tab, DNS checker. I put DNS checker. I create the subdomain and search for this. You can see this is I have chosen as a record, but at the moment no IP is following to this A record. But if I use this domain, I'll create another one. This domain, you can see this is pointing to an IP. Okay. This subdomain is pointing to a IP, but this subdomain is not showing any IP, not pointing to any IP. And this IP is the same one as our cPanel. Let me show you. You see our IP. This is the shared IP as 85.92.70.50. The same IP address is using this subdomain 85.92.72.50. But this is not pointing to this IP. Now we have to do is go to the domains and check the domain. You see all of the site are here. You see this subdomain is not here. That means it needs to be created. Now we are going to create a new domain, and then I'm going to put put this domain here. And for this, I just put whatever it is. And now if I submit, this will create a new subdomain. This will create a new subdomain, which is this trustford.brandstore.co. As you can see, this is a success. This is now created, and under this cPanel, it is created. So it is possible that this will follow the same IP. Let's go to the zone editor to check the IP zone editor. Uh, okay, this is the brand store. Let's click manage. Scroll down. You see the trust code, plan store 8592. I did not created this DNS zone. Okay. But when I initiated the new subdomain creation, it automatically created this with www initial added. Both of them added with the same principle I have done to create the subdomain. Now, if I go to the DNS checker and if I refresh this search, it might sometimes take some time, but as you can see, it is already showing the IP. Some of them are showing, some of them are not. Some of cross there. Some of them are showing IP. You can see the map. Not all of them. Eventually, when some time goes, because we just initiated this right now, that is why it is not showing in all of the country, all of the around the world. So if we wait like a hour or so, it will all be showing the same IP. Slowly, slowly, all of the cross will show the same IP. Now, if we follow this link, I do refresh. You cannot see this. You can see a different thing. Uh, uh, I created new private window and then put this. Still not working. Still not working. Still not working because the propagation is not properly done yet. Okay. It will need some time to do the propagation. Then then I create another. Oh, I think I should do another thing. Oh, now it is showing this. This is the one. This is a different one. Okay, this is a different one because it is coming from the server. The resource requested not found this server, but they found the server. Okay, before when we tried, it showed us a different kind of error. This is called DNS probe finished not properly, but this is a different kind of issue. This is both are 404. This is also a 404. This is also a 404, but they are different. Right now, that subdomain is in the server and the subdomain is pointing this IP. Eventually, it will be sorted for all of the country, but still, it is, as you can see, the domain also has an SSL, the SSL, because when we set up the subdomain, it automatically started to generate SSL because this is under the server. The cPanel WHM is automatically giving you an SSL. This is the all the SSL system. When we search for our domain, you can see the SSL is already set up automatically. We did not have to do anything for that. The SSL is automatically generated from the servers. If it does not get automatically generated, then you just come this page, click those domain. If it does not have an SSL, this green mark will show red. When these are red, you check them and at the top you click run SSL. Okay. But right now our domain and subdomain has SSL. So I don't need to do this. This is okay right now. Then even now this is showing 404, but at the back end we have the site. We have the site for this subdomain. So why is it not showing this site? It is not showing this site because the filing resource are not getting the same principle as it supposed to. If we go to the cPanel and if we go to the cPanels and click the domains, go to the domain list again, you can see Belfort BT brand store Morgan Sindel. All of them are pointed to this document root, public HTML. Because we are using brand store as the main multi-site, so brand store is the directory which is following by all of the domain. Okay. But this one, transport, is not following this directory. It is following a different one. So what can we do? We click manage and then we click remove. Mm, we copy. We copy the public HTML. Then we manage transport and then we do update. Update, yes. It is updating. It will not take any. Sam just gave me message because I just changed his password a few minutes ago in the meet in the uh, video. Okay, so I hope he doesn't get offended, but this is also important. I just sent him the pass, as you can see. Sam, I hope you can see this. This is already updated. Now, if I go to the list of the domains, all of them are in the same root. Now I go to the incognito folder, incognito mode. This is showing the 404. I do a uh, I do a refresh. This is showing the basic fresh WordPress under the subdomain. So the domain mapping is done here and subdomain is properly showing the basic WordPress page. Now we go to the next step. The next step is this is the brand store and this is the same store we want under here. I do a refresh here. Yeah, we have to, this is not working here because the cache is saving and I cannot clear the hard to the hard reset because you know, I cannot do hard reset because okay, this is working now. Now I go to the main dashboard, the main site, brand store dashboard, and this is the dashboard for transport. You see, this is brand store, this is transport. We do one by one. Okay, we need to do the same to same as brand store into the transport. We start with the theme. We go to the appearance. I did develop this also, but I'm showing in the video. In future when you try to do this on your own, you can do them properly. This site brand store is using the Astra theme. For this, I go to theme. This is using the basic WordPress theme. So I activate Astra. After activated Astra, I click the site builder. Site builder? No, not site builder. Uh, Go to plugin, and I go to plugin here. I go to regular plugin. This is starter template. Okay. I activate this first starter template. After activating this, I go to template Elementor, and I forgot which one I chose for them, but Uh, Maybe later. Okay, it is showing the pages now. Mm, I cannot remember which one I chose for him before, but uh, maybe it's this one. Yeah, I think this is the one. I think this is the one I chose for him. Now I I go to the main page. I download this logo and I upload it here in the transport. Select now whatever color you want to do, whatever fonts you want like to use, and whatever you wish for. Uh, to continue. A lot of they're trying to give you a lot of plugins. The following present is activated for you. I don't think all of them is required at the moment, but mm, let's to continue. Skip and continue. Submit. Now we are waiting because it is going to evaluate all the setting. They're all the same. Just need to make a prediction. Okay, I will be get back to you later on. আচ্ছা এটা টাকা কাটলো কেন? ট্রায়াল দিল। এসব হাবিজাবিতে করে। Oh, 90%. If I go to the main domain and go to page, uh, hmm, the card, the card, uh, check out my account, store. This is the front page. Okay, this is done. Now I go to dashboard and I start to visit my website. When I go to visit my website, it will take me directly to my template homepage. Okay. Uh, the template homepage itself is not bad. We are waiting to load. The internet is taking some time. This is the homepage. This is what we're trying to load. Taking too much time. I'm reloading again. I'm also opening the shop page. There are also some demo products in the product list. Somehow this is taking too much time. I'm going to the sites, upgrade network, and do the network upgrade so that it might refresh the database and try to provide a smoother, smooth performance. Mm, This is the main issue in multi-site. Multi-site, whenever you add more and more store or system under your website, then you get the lower performance. And maybe this is the same what we're facing here. 500 error, 500 error. Maybe let me go to the cPanel. Okay. Mm, I'm going to the cPanel, PHP, select PHP version. Oh, this is the store. Okay, this looks okay. This is the same what we want for our store, but we want this as a home page. Okay, so I go to the setting, reading setting, and then choose this store page as the home page. Now I click save. Now when I visit the home page, it is showing me the store page. We have to do some minor adjustment like the header. This header and this header doesn't look same. So let me go to the customize. I'm clicking customize. Okay. Also, I'm going to customize this. I'm going customer to this page so that I can see the settings this set the main page is using for. Now I am going to the customize for both of the domain. This is transport. This is the main domain. As you can see, the internet speed is getting a pain in the head. But I hope eventually this will be solved. Mm. Mm. Waiting. First of all, let's go to the general. Uh, no, not general. Backup global. I click global. No, not global. Site identity. I go to site identity. I click the site icon. Then I go to the main site and go to the media. There's an icon here. I have group locked in. This is the icon at the at the tab. You can see a green icon. This is the icon of the site icon, which is favicon. I'm going to download this favicon from the main page and then upload it to the new one. So this is the favicon. Now I click it. No, I copy the URL, go to another report, then I download this. I have just, you can see the remove the other tab because the site is live now. We don't need them anymore. This is the transport. I am uploading this uh, Also, let me upload the this is the logo. I already uploaded it. Somehow it is not showing properly, but I'm going to do this. This is the logo now. Yep. I'm giving the favicon. Mm, taking some time. Let me check the PHP, all the options. PHP 8.2, Mac execution. Everything looks okay. Okay, this is the favicon now. This is how it is going to show. Now I click site title and logo setting. Now it will give me to change the logo. Mm, uh, this is the logo. Why it is not showing this? Uh, to choose this logo again. This is the logo. Choose and probably. Now I go to this main site. This is container layout. Put a catalog. No, not like this. I'm going to go header and click here. The primer header is 70. In here. I'm also going to the header and click there. Is 70, 70, 70 same. But this is not mainly my issue. My main issue is the other thing. Design. Full width, container width, design. So this is content width, the main domain, and the subdomain is full width. I gave it content width. Now I click publish and visit this site in a different. I think it looks more similar than before. You see, the the space outside is same now, but still some reason this is not showing the main logo. Let me check that. I'm going to the dashboard again and Astra dashboard. Let me visit this with the new subdomain. No, no, not working. This is still showing passport, which I don't want. I want this to show the main logo I'm using. For some reason, it is not showing the proper logo. Uh, let me check this. Mm, I'm choosing the logo again, and I am asking them not to cook. Skip cooking. Skip cooking. Different logo for retina. 150. Uh, everything is look okay. Okay, that logo is showing now. Okay, now I think this is already done. If we want to change anything from the footer, we just click the footer from here, back, back. You see footer here. Now we want to do whatever changes we want. We'll do it. This we change the menu or this icon, this image. This is an image. Yeah. So if you want to change this image or anything, we just click this widget and this will load. This will load with the information it is already providing, and then we can edit it as like we want. Uh, Showing subscriber selected form. Mm, all these widgets are in the dashboard. You go to the appearance widgets. You go there and you can see that those information are stored here. You can control them from here. Just click next. Get started. Okay. So the name of glossary bears were repeatable but cool. Just ignore them. They were not important. What I can do is go to the dashboard and update everything that can be updated. I don't think anything needs update, but still, this needs update. This I'm updating everything that can be possible. Okay. WooCommerce 9.9, 10.1. Okay. WooCommerce requirements just not too much necessary, but okay. Now, this is how we can here show me the widgets, right? This is where the footer widget builder 4, like 4. I click 4, you see, we do all the changes from here, like something like that. Whatever we wish for, depending on what we want. Uh, this is widget 1. So widget 1 has the Google Play. So we go to do widget 1, just basic widget 1. 3 to select the form, subscribe. Let's try something. Let me try something. Oh, this is not showing. And this is the copyright. This is the copyright. This is the social. Social, I think, not showing because there is nothing to show at the moment. And a blog list. 1, 2, 3. Now into public. showing maintenance. Oh, store coming soon. I need to activate it. I need to disable maintenance. The main site is not under maintenance. It is already live. That is why it is showing, not showing this. When I click this, it takes me to this page and I see coming soon. I click live. I click live, save change. Save change, save change. Copy this. Uh, this kind of error sometimes shows in WordPress when it is too much pressure in the database. I am refreshing. It is, as you can see, this is already loading. If no database, it will not load, but it is loading. That means it is working. So this is the home page, all the footer and stuff, whatever you want to change. And I think a final thing is you need to do the payment method. When go to the settings in the dashboard under WooCommerce, you see settings, right? When you click it, this will take you to this page, this general page. Under this tab, you can see payments. Click payments. Payment method plugin is already installed, but you can set up your payment method according to what you want. Some people do Stripe, some people prefer PayPal. Whatever you want to do, just go to the page and activate according to what you want to use. As you can see, it is loading under the payment page. It will show us multiple solution. What is this? Okay, I think this is what from Payments. These are all the available solution. Okay, continue. So I have clicked continue. Now it asks to connect to WordPress.com because Payments is connected to WordPress. I don't intend to do that because I am not going to add the payment method. I don't have the access to that. I'm clicking close. But this is a very clean process. You can do it whenever, however you want. This is the same for PayPal. And there are other payment options. Like if I click, this is the Stripe. Stripe is something you would maybe need. If I click the WooCommerce marketplace to find the payment option, then you can see this is free download. I just click Stripe and let's not do from that from here. I go to the plugin, add plugin, and in plugin I click Stripe. You can see this is the Stripe payment gateway. You can see the rating and a lot of installation. This one has better ratings, but this one been used too much. and this is from Automatic. Automatic is the company of WordPress. The mother company of WordPress is Automatic. So this is also very reliable. If you are trusting WordPress, that means you can also trust this plugin. You can just install it and then activate from the subsite. Just and you can easily integrate your payment method. If you ever need to set up the payment method, you let me know and give me the active of the payment method. And if you want to add or edit any product, you go to the product list. You can see all the products here, all the demo products at the moment. These are all the demo products. If I want to create a new product, at the top I can click add new product. This is ever showing again, but this is not an issue. Usually this comes from low level of hosting or too much pressure on the multi-site, but at the moment I don't think there is too much pressure here. I am giving this name test product 1 created by site. Okay. Description, too much description. Simple product, group product, affiliate product, variable product. I'm just do simple products. Also, you can see the virtual downloadable. If I click downloadable, you can